Hidden inside your spine lies the spinal cord, a delicate bundle of nerves that connects your brain to every part of your body, forming the central communication link of life. The spinal cord begins at the brain's medulla oblongata and extends down to the lower back, around 45 centimeters long, divided into cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral regions. It narrows into a cone-shaped end called the conus medullaris and continues as the cauda equina, a cluster of nerve roots that resemble a horse's tail. Carrying signals to the lower body, the spinal cord is safely enclosed within the vertebral column. Each vertebra acts like a shield, forming a sturdy, bony tunnel that guards the fragile nerve tissue inside. Beneath the bones, 3 protective membranes called meninges surround the cord. Between them, cerebrospinal fluid cushions every movement, preventing friction and shock damage. Inside, the spinal cord contains gray matter shaped like a butterfly, housing neuron cell bodies and white matter around it, packed with myelinated axons carrying rapid signals. Each segment of the spinal cord connects with the body through 2 roots. The dorsal root carries sensory information in, while the ventral root sends motor commands out. 31 pairs of spinal nerves emerge from the cord, connecting the central nervous system to the limbs and organs, ensuring the entire body stays linked and responsive. Ascending tracts carry sensory information like touch, pain, and temperature from the body to the brain, allowing us to sense and respond to the world around us. Descending tracts bring instructions from the brain down the spinal cord to muscles, guiding every voluntary motion and even reflex adjustments for balance. Reflexes protect us from harm. When you touch something hot, the spinal cord instantly processes the signal and commands your muscles to withdraw, all before the brain even knows. The reflex arc follows 5 steps. Receptor detects, sensory neuron carries, interneuron processes, motor neuron reacts, and the effector performs a quick action. While reflexes act locally, the spinal cord constantly communicates with the brain, sharing sensory updates and receiving refined motor commands for precise movements. In amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, motor neurons gradually degenerate, interrupting communication with muscles. Patients lose movement ability while their minds remain alert. A slipped or herniated disc occurs when cushioning tissue between vertebrae bulges out, pressing on spinal nerves, causing sharp pain, numbness, or weakness. Severe spinal injuries can sever nerve pathways, stopping communication between brain and body. The result is paralysis below the point of injury, depending on its level and severity. Treatment depends on the condition. Disc issues may need surgery or therapy, while spinal injuries require stabilization, medication, and long-term rehabilitation support. Researchers are exploring stem cells, nerve grafts, and electrical implants to regenerate damaged neurons, offering new hope to restore lost spinal functions. The human nervous system can adapt through neuroplasticity. With therapy and effort, surviving neurons form new connections, allowing gradual recovery of lost movements. Together, the brain, spinal cord, and nerves create a perfect symphony of control, a living electrical network guiding every thought and motion. The spinal cord receives, processes, and delivers millions of messages every second, making it one of the most vital and efficient systems of the human body. Protected deep within our spine, the spinal cord silently sustains life, a true guardian connecting body and mind, ensuring that every heartbeat, step, and touch stays in harmony.